What's up, Gear America Nation? This is Chris coming to you from the Gear America Workbench, and this is Tabletop Tech Specs. Welcome back to Tabletop Tech Specs. Today I want to show off the ULTRA Hitch Shackle Mount from GearAmerica. It's 100% high-grade aluminum, it's made in the USA, and it has a 10,000 pound workload. That's 5 tons, holy cow. It also has a 25,000 pound minimum brake strength, which is like the ultimate strength on it. This is aluminum, it won't rust. It's drilled in both directions so you can mount it either horizontally or vertically. And it is designed to use the safest, toughest, most reliable recovery spot on your vehicle, the 2-inch receiver. Now you may notice down here this beautiful beveled edge it's got. The reason for that is it's designed to be used safely with soft shackles. So you can actually feed the soft shackle through the hole and use this as your closed loop system with your trailer hitch. And that 5-ton working load, I'll tell you what, you're not going to break it. It can be used both with a soft shackle or a D ring and is available in silver also. Let's go out to the garage and put this thing on. Okay, so we're out here in the garage with my trusty Jeep. Here's my trailer hitch. So we've got the beautiful ULTRA Hitch Shackle Mount. And like I said, it can be mounted for vertical or horizontal use. I'm gonna mount this in nice and deeply, so I'm gonna go with the vertical use on it. I'm gonna put that guy in there. Put your pin in, and you're good to go. So now this is perfect for any closed loop recovery. Now let's say we've got a tow strap hooked up to our soft shackle. So let's put our soft shackle on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed it through the hole, pull it through, open it up, put the knot through, and tighten it back up. And remember, we're always going to lock that loop. So we got the loop locked in with the ULTRA Hitch Shackle Mount, and we're ready for a recovery. So there you have it. It's mounted on the vehicle. It's ready to go. Like I said, 100% aluminum. It will never rust. Made in America and covered by our lifetime hassle-free replacement warranty. That's why they say GearAmerica is the last recovery gear you'll ever need. And don't forget, every dollar you spend with GearAmerica, 10% goes to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Get great gear and help kids all at the same time. All right, back inside from the garage. So there you have it. There is the GearAmerica ULTRA Hitch Shackle Mount. Like I said, it's got 5-ton capacity. It's made in America, made of aluminum, so it's never gonna rust. Absolutely gorgeous. Also available in silver. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them below or shoot me an email at chris@gearamerica.com. You can email me any questions you have, and I will go ahead and answer them to the best of my ability. I hope you enjoyed this Tabletop Tech Specs presentation for the ULTRA Hitch Shackle Mount. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first to know when we come out with a new Tabletop Tech Specs, a new piece of gear, awesome run, user submissions, all kinds of great stuff coming from GearAmerica. So that's it for now. From the GearAmerica West Workbench, this is Chris signing off. And as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.